Robert Ainger, and I'm here outside the Department of Transport in Leeson Lane, and I work for the Energy Consumption and Coordination Unit. Since I've been working here, which is just over a year, I've really enjoyed my daily commute coming from about 4 or 5 kilometres away, and I just find it a much better alternative to both driving and walking to work, just through timing and saving carbon emissions as well.
When you cycle to work, knowing that you're going to be able to have a shower before you start work, that you can put your clothes in a drying room, knowing that the facilities here meet 2025 accreditation standards, it makes me confident that I can cycle to work, come rain, hail or shine, with the comfort that I work in a place that has excellent facilities. The Department of Transport has achieved the Gold Standard Award as a cycle-friendly employer and the Smarter Travel Mark, which was developed by the National Transport Authority in 2023. And the Department of Transport was the first organisation awarded the Gold Award in that standard.
Farmers were one of the first employers to actually embrace a cycle-friendly employer in Ireland. They identified the cycling piece as an important part for their employees to commute to the workplace.
I'm proud to work for an employer that is focused on cycling and active travel as a means of mobility and getting to and from the office. It benefits the environment from being able to cycle to work. It also provides a sense of community. For example, our new cycle hub has a message board and people communicate there on cycling home if they're on the same route together. And it also provides cycling advice for those with children, those with disabilities, and people who are new to cycling or may not be confident on the road. Cycling to work reduces stress, improves your overall well-being.
All in all, it's just a great way to commute to work.